Good morning, Makkale. Today I'm going to do a podcast on Google BARD and chatbot. So, Google BARD is a chatbot what is already launched under the artificial intelligence, just like a ChatGPT. So, both ChatGPT and Google BARD they both simulate the conversation with the human, and it will help to provide the responses to the questions like one might ask. So, people can also raise the questions like how they can use the Google Bard and what is the GPT, what is the difference between them. So like as of now, GPT was open for the public usage, and the Google Bard is not yet. Uh, the latest technology, which you already were continuously you are hearing this Chat GPT. That is nothing but it's a generative pre-transformed, pre-trained transformer. So it's a AI language based model which is developed by a startup called OpenAI in San Francisco. So now currently it's free of cost by the users, but as of now it can be used only on the web browsers. There is no app or application available for the same on Android or on both on the iOS iPhones also. So to get the benefits of the ChatGPT, users have to visit their official website, which is chat.openai.com, or chat on their browsers. So being based upon the LLM, that is large language model, that is capable of understanding the human language. After being released in 2022 November, it has gained much popularity everywhere around the world. So uh, like it's you're able to really able to realize that it's a trending one. And also now currently Google BARD on the other side, a new chatbot that is also has been under the development for a lot of years, and also that is using a language model for dialogue application. So it is released in 2023, and it has a similar functions as ChatGPT, and we do not know the further updates, but it also uses the data from the internet and provides the responses to the all the customers in the simple language only. Currently it is in the beta version. Maybe they will release in a bigger version in the near future, and it has actually released in 2023, I guess. Yeah, 2023 February. mm, so in if you are checking into my previous video, you can be able to um, see my ChatGPT demo videos. So similar to the OpenAI ChatGPT, Google Bard BARD, that is like a storyteller. It is having a latest experimental AI powered chatbot. You already heard of the chatbot, so that can respond to the various queries and requests in the conversational manner. So what it will do is, using the information online, it is intended to generate the high quality responses, which is not yet widely available for the usage, but it is likely to integrate into the Google search and can be made easily through the search bar. LAMDA, it is nothing but it's a heart of Google Bard. So it's a experimentation technology, and LAMDA is nothing but it's a language model for dialogue applications. That is a Google's language model that is built upon the transformer and neural network architecture, which is a basis of the several generative AI applications, that is which we are seeing today as ChatGPT, GPT-3 language model. By BARD has been released with a lightweight modern version of LAMDA, that is Lambda, that utilizes the less computing power, allowing the scalability to more users and gaining more feedback that is intended to be combined with the Google's own internal testing. That means if you're already aware of the reinforcement learning and deep learning models, it will be very easily to understand what I am trying to say. So it's a statistical lambda is nothing but it's a statistical method that can predict the following words in the series based upon the previous ones. That's like ability to stimulate the dialogue in a looser fashions than typically allowed by task-based responses. So this allows the conversation to be freely from one topic to another topic, and also it utilizes the concept like multi-model MODAL, that is user intent and reinforcement learning and suggestions. So how to use like that video separately, if it is coming into the free version, I can do that. So uh, like coming to the use cases, like it is finding information with the familiar Google search engine. Second one is more advanced and improved task automation, which is powered by Google AI. Third one is it can be used for personal AI assistant, especially for the activities like assistant with time management and scheduling, etc. And important thing is in the future, getting appropriate, accurate answers to the queries with sophisticated AI algorithms. So there is a competition between Google Bard AI versus ChatGPT. But more than the competition, like what is the technology behind the scene and what they have implemented, how they are implemented. If you are knowing that, and parallelly, if you are trying to uh, understand the uh, technology behind the scenes and the algorithm behind the scenes, and also one more thing, you have to do and log in, and we have to practically have the experience so that we will understand more about it. And I do not want to compare the two things because both are good. So like you can use both of that, like ChatGPT you can log in and use BARD. Like if it is going to be come in the near future, I will do that demo also. So like this is going to be, really these two things, if you understand end to end in 2023, definitely it will be a plus point for you. So make use of it, learn more about it. So that's what I was trying to convey in this. Uh, in near future, I will also, like after the BARD release, I will put a detailed video, 1 hour video about both of that, and also the both demo, so that you will also be able to get the feel of that UI. Many things we can do. Not only it's a simple GPT. Along with the GPT, we can do tons of things, but we have to do many R&D. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for all the upcoming demos. Thank you.